Ethereum is powerful, but not perfect. Secure, decentralized, but expensive. Slows down when busy. That's where Layer 2s come in. They help Ethereum scale by moving activity off the main chain, then settling it back to Ethereum for security. Think of Layer 2s like fast lanes plugged into Ethereum's engine. They give you lower gas fees, faster transactions, more throughput, Ethereum security, access to the same apps and wallets you already use. Let's break down Layer 2 ecosystem. Optimistic Rollups, general-purpose chains for apps, fast scaling, and EVM compatibility. Zero-knowledge, ZK Rollups. Use zero-knowledge cryptography for privacy, speed, and security. Sidechains, separate chains that bridge to Ethereum but don't inherit its full security. Validiums, off-chain data with on-chain security using ZK proofs. Channels, instant off-chain payments, used mostly for transfers and bridges. Layer 2s let Ethereum scale without sacrificing what makes it special. Which Layer 2 are you using? Comment below.